No matter where they're used, fuel-operated Airtronic air heaters from Eberspächer ward off the chill in any application. Now, in the third Airtronic generation, 4 model variants are on an entirely new technological level. When you activate the Airtronic with a control unit, the metering pump delivers fuel to the evaporator. The glow pin has already heated it up. The fan impeller blows air into the combustion chamber, and the air-fuel mixture ignites within. When the combination sensor detects a flame, the glow pin switches off. Combustion is then boosted to the maximum heat level. The controller now compares the temperature you set against the value from the temperature sensor. It continuously adjusts the heating performance by changing the fuel metering pump delivery rate and the fan speed. The Airtronic switches to ventilation mode when it reaches the temperature you want. It interrupts the fuel supply and sets the fan to ventilation. This keeps air from the interior flowing around the temperature sensor. When the interior cools down, the heater starts back up. The third Airtronic air heater generation features a host of advantages and enhanced heating performance in a compact design. Thanks to the new combustion chamber, these heaters can be tilted by 90 degrees to both sides and installed highly flexibly. A diverse range of accessories ensures that the heater fits perfectly in any vehicle. What's more, the integrated altitude sensor guarantees pleasant temperatures at elevations up to 5,500 meters. The optimized metering pump and steplessly controlled heating performance enable quiet operation. The brushless motor is highly durable. The Airtronic is electrically connected to a wiring harness. The EasyScan configuration and diagnostic tool for workshops is also connected here. The EasyStart Pro and EasyStart Web CAN control units provide maximum versatility. EasyStart Web lets you control the Airtronic from any distance, using a smartphone or through Amazon Alexa, for example. No matter where they're used, Airtronic air heaters from Eberspächer always ensure the perfect temperature in any vehicle.